1, 2, 3. Alright, there you go. HappyDoc Diagnostics is officially open.
Hello guys, we're here right now at Tasmania Boulevard for the grand opening of HappyDoc Diagnostics. If you want to learn more about this new venture by the CebuDoc Group, check out this video.
First of all, I'd like to thank our patients who are here with us. We are truly sorry for the inconvenience, but rest assured that our staff are here to cater to your needs, and we try to end this program as quickly as possible. You know, this idea came to me during the pandemic, you know, when like some patients in my clinic said, okay, balik mo rin, mag-check up mo, mag-laboratory mo, that I always hear it. And them saying, hadlok nung yan sa hospital do, kay pandemic ng good, no? So, kasi mag-COVID ka ba? So, this idea came about, I wanted to put up a diagnostic center that's away from the hospital, yet still connected, no? At the same time, all the services in the main hospital are available here. No? And I wanted it also to be, since it's away from the hospital, I wanted the price to be very competitive, no? And I challenged our staff to make the price to be one of the cheapest and lowest in Cebu City. No? So here we are. Most of our services are very competitive and very affordable. A lot of my friends and patients actually na-shock sila na ibong barato lagi mo, they have a very request. And that truly makes me happy that we're able to have more people. So 2 months ago, we had our soft launch here. We wanted to perfect things, so we learned a lot the last 2 months, and we were able to perfect it more or less. So now we are finally here. We are grand launch, and I can confidently say we are really ready. To make these things possible, I'd like to thank our laboratory team. Thank you so much. Our cardiology team as well. And lastly, our radiology team. And for two departments who have really pushed the boundaries to make this happen. Our engineering team. And of course, our IT team. Creating the portal where our patients, when they come here, they do the test, they don't have to come back anymore. They just have to log in the portal and see their results, and they can actually print them out themselves to show to their doctors. So that's very important. So we have to find ways to make that really possible. And of course, our HappyDoc team, thank you so much. They really tried their best to make it very meaningful and to show the patients the value of truly to be happy, and that's why it's called HappyDoc. Again, this technology has been available now to make things, for better for our patients. You know, when we have patients, they come to the laboratory, they come to our clinics, they're really stressed and anxious. So this idea came about because we want the patients, when they come in here, we want it to be fast, seamless, and they can, instead of waiting and stressing about coming back to the hospital to get the results, they can just relax in a restaurant, they can eat, or they can go to their house, take a nap, and then after a few hours, they log onto the computer and they can see the results already. And of course, since it's very affordable, with the pandemic, the situation of a lot of people have lost their jobs, got laid off, and things are getting higher and higher, the prices, inflation. So it's really truly a blessing to have this milestone. So again, also thank you to the media for being here. You know? I mean, I know it's really hard. We have bad weather earlier today, but you are here. Thank you for spreading the word about HappyDoc. And again, thank you everyone. We are truly excited. This is the first in CebuDoc to have this outpatient facility freestanding. And thank you for sharing this milestone with us. Thank you everybody.
Because in CebuDoc, we do it right.
Congratulations, CebuDoc Group and HappyDoc.
I'm only doing this for aesthetic purposes anyway. You can have lecture me.
Alright, executive check-up lounge. So, right. Ano mga kuan? Okay, hard to. Alright.
As some of you know, I run every day. My passion is running marathons. So I run 10 kilometers a day. So during one of my runs, I was trying to think of a name that's connected to CebuDoc because it's really the hospital was started by doctors went to my father. And I wanted something because patients really are stressed and anxious. That's what I tell all my staff. Treat all patients with respect and understanding because they come to you because there's something's bothering them. So, in order to convey the patient na, you're welcome, we want you to be happy, we want you to live happy. At the same time, us being doctors, we're happy that you're happy.
So everybody